What's the meaning of aggregator? Aggregator. 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 An aggregator is a platform or tool that collects and displays information from multiple sources in one place. It simplifies the process of accessing and analyzing data by consolidating it into a single interface. This method allows users to save time and effort by eliminating the need to visit each source individually. Aggregators are commonly used in various fields, such as finance, news, and social media. They provide users with a comprehensive overview of information from various sources, making it easier for them to stay up to date on important topics.